Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri Rangbah ke jela ukan rat sangma. Ula Pynrem jur Halor ke Jingmih ke Jingïakynad hapedeng ki Kynhun Rajabala West Garo Hills hagas ngit ho diem hak ba Uwei usamla ula klad ba Uwei pat ula mensaujur. Myntri Rangbah ula pha ke kubor sngolem syaki bahyeng jong kini ki balangat hagini ki Jingïap basngosi. Ulu ya thuru bahnen kamiet marmar ki pulit ki lale ala jong ka kamram ban twet ki badanti na katu gani ki jaka bat ki layok ban kem ya laingut ki brio ki badanti bat ki pulit ki dangi beteng ban wat shu ki weipat ki badanti hani ka kam ka bashir khai. Ulu ya thuru ba deputy commissioner ulu khat ya kran ya baro ki nong tre ha ka imlang ka salang ban thawi ka committee ya kran ya sung ban ya kran ru Halor kini ki Jingïap baro. Myntri Rangbah ulu kerpat ki nong shong ka rilom garo bakin pentikna baga jingsuk bat gajing long kawai kane beteng Garo Hills bat kan turu bakin husyar na ki khobor lamler ki bala ban mi hagi san social media. Ula pentikna ru baki pulit bat ki bor sensyar ki dang beteng yala ka kamram ban pentikna ban penstam ting ki badan kti khani ka kam bat baro ki badan kti khani ka kam bashar khei kin sha penstam kat kum ka an. La ban kdo baga Jingïakynad kala mi hapdeng ki Kynhun Rajabala hadian bakawai ke Kynhun karalit banjurip ya kawai ke jakati mau bean hajan Rajabala bat day hakapor balawan pai bagi dekat ketika Kynhun kira syak thombor hakawai pat ke Kynhun harut ke surok AMPT ke balawan ra ke Jingïap jong Uwei bat mensaujur Uwei pat bat bun naki kira lat pet.
Friends, yesterday there was a very tragic and a very unfortunate incident that took place in Garo Hills, where one youth lost his life and one was seriously injured. We condemn this particular incident and at the same time express our condolences to the members of the bereaved family. Last night, the West Garo Hills police was very swift and multiple raids were made in different locations. 3 people have been arrested and the police is working tirelessly to find the rest of the people who were involved in this heinous crime. Today, the Deputy Commissioner has called different members of civil society to form a peace committee and to ensure that all related matters are discussed in detail. At this point in time, I would like to urge the citizens of Garo Hills that we must ensure that peace and communal harmony continues to be there in Garo Hills. There will be a lot of news that may be circulated in social media. Please filter them carefully. At this point in time, let me assure the citizens that the police and the administration is on its job and we will ensure that strict action and all the people involved in this heinous crime are brought to justice. Thank you.